if you have... Bakit kami nagme-makeup? Siyempre, like everyone else, we want to look our best. And we want to be presentable. Kasi if you know that you are in the best version of yourself, mas confident ka.
Oh yes, Daddy!
Hello gorgeous! It's me, Rick. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's Rickified, I'll teach you how to do men's natural makeup. Yung traceless, yung parang ang kinis-kinis mo lang, yung walang ebidensya. LOL! You can wear this makeup anywhere. Sa school, sa office, or gusto nyo lang umawara sa gym. Oo, ikaw. Para sa'yo to. So, let's get started! First, of course, you have to prep your skin. So, skincare lang. I will apply this Orchidée Impériale from Guerlain because my face is super dry right now. So, I need super extra moisture. Never skip your skincare. Siyempre, kung maganda na yung skin mo, madali na lang mag-makeup. That's why skincare is very important. If you want to see my nighttime skincare routine, I'll put the link on the description box below. Next is primer. Of course, you need it para mas mag-last yung makeup sa'yo. And for the guys na medyo prominent yung pores, gumamit kayo ng mga pore minimizing na primer. Meron si Benefit tsaka si Makeup Forever. Maganda tong dalawang to. Tapos sa mga guys na super oily naman, gumamit kayo ng anti-oil primer, lalo sa T-zone. Di ba dyan tayo usually nag-oily? So, I will use this Lower Primer from Guerlain. Gagamitin ko lang siya sa whole face. Yan, nafe-feel ko na na-ready na yung face ko for makeup. Mafe-feel nyo yun yung parang medyo may tackiness na. May konting lagkit. So next is foundation. I will use this Cushion Compact from Tom Ford. This is their hydrating one. Meron din sila nung pang normal skin type. Ito. Tapos meron siyang sheer matte finish which is very skin-like. So for me, ito yung pinaka-importanting step sa men's makeup. Siyempre, dapat yung foundation mo nagmamatch sa skin mo. Kasi dito talaga tayo nagkakabukingan. Pag makapal, tas iba yung skin tone, iba siya from your neck. And if possible, pumili kayo nung sheer lang yung coverage. Yung konti lang, yung sapat lang para mapantay lang yung skin tone nyo. So for foundation, you can use yung mga ganitong cushion kasi ito yung maninipis. Or yung tinted moisturizer. May maganda from Mercier at saka Nars. Tried and tested ko na ditong mga to. So, give it a try. Or basta kahit anong foundation na sheer lang yung coverage. Sobrang nabis lang talaga. Para alam mo yun, traceless. Fresh lang, ganun. Ang ganda diba? Mukha lang siyang balat ko. There, done na with foundation. Next is concealer. For concealer naman, I will use this one from Nars. It's their Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I'm in the shade Medium Dark 1. So, I will use a concealer brush for this. For concealer naman, it should be half or one shade lighter lang. Tapos, saktong coverage lang to cover the darkness under your eyes and imperfections. Parang yung mga natirang chismis na yan. Tapos, for your under eyes, don't go completely up to your lash line. So, dapat mga hanggang dito lang. Dapat may matirang konting eye bags. Then, I will blend it lang with my finger. Tapos, isa-spot conceal ko lang itong mga natirang chismis. There. Before I continue, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And of course, like this video if nagugustuhan nyo na siya so far. And then, of course, don't forget to click the ring bell button para ma-notify kayo whenever I post new videos. Okay, next, cheek tint. Of course, kailangan natin ng color sa face natin. And for me, it's more natural kapag cheek tint ang gagamitin natin, either cream or liquid. It's more natural kasi than using powders. For the color naman, masasuggest ko na go for the beigey or peachy pink shades shy away from using super pink colors unless ang peg mo ay opa. So I will use this Pot Rouge Lip and Cheeks from Bobbi Brown. It's in shade Upper Beige. So ito siya. Beigey, peachy beigey shade. So gagamitin ko siya sa dito lang. Sa cheeks. Dab-dab nyo lang. Kung saan lang kayo natural namumula pag nainitan kayo, ganun. Diba? Very natural looking lang yung color. Para lang akong kinilig. Parang dumaan lang si crush. Parang, ganun. Tapos, ilagay din tayo konti dito. Para kunwari naarawan ako. Konti din sa cheeks. Blend nyo lang. Next, we will set our face. Of course, you need to set your face lalo kung oily yung face mo. I will use this translucent crystal light reflecting powder from Nars. So, I will use it all over my face. Gusto ko tong setting powder na to kasi nag-iiwan pa rin siya ng glow. Ang ganda. Next is bronzer. I will use my Laguna bronzer from Nars. Siyempre, kailangan nating ibalik yung shadows and warmth ng face. So, ang lagay lang, dito lang, around your face. Yan, yung part na yan. Tapos, makaka-add na din siya ng konting depth. So, pwede mo siya ng pang-contour ng very light. Mas natural kasi tingnan yung makeup pag hindi siya flat. So, ito, parang binabalik lang natin yung dimension, yung shadows. And you can also use it sa nose. Ang contour ng very light sa nose. Next is highlighter. You can skip na this one if you don't like. But for me, I like it kasi para medyo may glow pa rin. Iwasan nyo lang yung mga super putok na highlight, yung Instagram highlighter. Subtle lang. Fresh lang, ganun. So, I will use the Illuminating Powder from Mer. Ito nasa personal kit ko kasi super subtle lang yung glow na nabibigay niya. So, hindi halata. Parang glowing ka lang, ganun. Tapos, dito lang ang lagay. As in sa high points lang. Konti sa nose. Konti sa Cupid's bow. Para nakapout. Sa chin. Yan o. Very natural lang yung glow. Next is brows na. Of course, you should not skip your brows. Lalo kung manipis yung brows mo. Sa ating guys, usually diba dark yung hair natin. So, ang products na ginagamit natin dapat medyo color gray to blackish. Ganun. Kahit ano naman, basta ganong color. I will use this Real Lasting Eyebrow Pen from K Palette. Nasa personal kit ko din to. Gusto ko to kasi pwede ko siyang gamitin para magguhit lang ng hair. Kasi maganda naman yung shape ko, medyo kulang lang, sparse lang. So, perfect to, pang fill in lang. Parang pang dagdag lang ng hair. Lapit tayo. So, susundan ko lang yung natural na hair ko. So, pataas. Ganun. So, ganyan. Dapat strokes lang yung nilalagay nyo pag ito yung gamit nyo. Para hindi mukhang parang na-pentel pen yung kilay nyo. Yan. See? Diba? Very natural. Oh, ito yung meron. Ito yung wala. Say what? And if kulang pa sa inyo yan, pwede nyo dagdagan ng brow gel. May mga magagandang brow gel, yung may mga fiber. Parang ito. This one is from Mercier Brow Dimension in shade black. So, perfect sa ating mga male. So, ang function nito, hindi lang niya tinitame yung brows mo. Nagdadagdag din siya kasi meron siyang mga fiber. Kasi diba, mas masculine pag mas makapal yung kilay. Everybody put your hands in the air! Yan. Still natural. Siyempre, don't forget your lips. Dapat hindi dry yung lips natin. So, I will use this extra lip tint in Bare Pink from Bobbi Brown. Idadab-dab ko lang siyang ganyan. For moisture and color na din. Para kissable lips. Next step is setting powder. You can use any setting powder naman. Para tumagal yung makeup mo and para maalis yung extra powder na nagamit mo kung meron man. I will use this Glamglow Glowsetter.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Gusto ko to kasi ginagawa niyang dewy and yummy yung balat ko. Tsaka ang bango. There. Natural, diba? Traceless. Hindi halata. Don't forget to like this video and please comment down below video suggestions na gusto nyong makita sa channel ko. Thank you for watching and click here if you haven't seen my last video and please don't forget to subscribe. Click, click, click. See you on my next video.